Good morning, good morning, good morning. The morning started off pretty busy and I was in a rush to prep for the cooking class I have in a couple of hours. The customer or the student or the client I'm teaching, they're in Arizona, and I think Mexico is 2 hours ahead of Arizona time, so I'm finished prepping. I'm finished prepping, finish prepping, and I'll film a bit of the class and what I get up to for the rest of the day. There's some of the ingredients I have for the cooking class, and I have my sheet here to keep me guided. So yeah, this is pretty much the ingredients all prepped. So I'm on this platform similar to Airbnb, which people can go on and take classes. I do corporate classes on this website, and I also do groups and one-on-one classes, and it has been going pretty well on my side, but not many people leave reviews and comments, but it's good for me. I have more customer on this platform than Airbnb. I've received more classes on this platform than Airbnb, and also I've done my own private classes separate and apart from this platform. But yeah, and I have what I teach on this platform is jerk chicken, my signature recipe, well, you know, and it's good. Usually I don't film or take pictures of all the things I do behind the scene, but I decided to film this class because it's a one-on-one and it's not a lot of work in terms of catering to everybody, where I'll be just focusing on one student, so it's a little bit relaxed in my opinion. So that's what I will be doing this afternoon, and I will share a bit of that with you as well. Mexico.
Okay.
Yeah.
For how long have you been in Mexico?
I have been living in Mexico for I've been living in Mexico for almost 8 years. December will make it 8 years.
Okay, so do you speak Spanish?
I speak a little bit of Spanish, enough to survive.
Okay, I'm Mexican, so I speak Spanish.
Oh, lovely. Qué bonita. Oh, I want to say thank you for choosing my course, my class, and I hope you enjoy this class. A little bit about me is that I'm Jamaican.
Okay.
I'm a Jamaican chef that has been living in Mexico for close to 8 years. I enjoy cooking, I love the outdoor, and I love everything food except cacahuate.
Okay.
Cacahuate es porque alérgica, por eso.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
New food, new recipes, and to try, right? I'm always looking for new things to try. I have never cooked Jamaican food. I have never even tried it, to be honest.
Oh, wow.
That's why I was interested in your class.
Oh, thank you. Well, I hope you will enjoy it and will seek to explore more of Jamaican cuisine after trying this. I think there are not many Jamaican restaurants in Arizona.
I don't think so.
Yes, I'm not sure, but well, let's hope you enjoy the class. Do you have all your ingredients ready?
Yes, I have everything ready.
Fabulous. So we're gonna go. I already had everything organized. I did not turn the oven on. Do you have your oven? Are you using an oven or a grill?
Oven.
Okay, fabulous. So we're gonna preheat our oven.
Okay.
Same, I have my chicken.
And I have the green onions chopped into inches, and then I have the habanero, the ginger, the garlic.
Oh, fabulous. So you have your amazing place already.
Yes.
So you enjoy the kitchen. You're already.
To be honest, it's one of my favorite part of my day to cook.
Oh, fabulous.
Thank you. It relaxes me.
Okay, so because you already have everything ready, we are gonna go in. So usually when we start with our brine or salsa, we go in with our liquids. So we're going in with our lime juice soy sauce. So if you have soy sauce that doesn't have salt, you can go ahead and add salt. Because if you've looked at the recipe, you will notice there's no salt. So that's the reason, because the soy sauce usually has salt. But if you're using one that doesn't have salt, you can go ahead and add the salt to it.
Okay.
Okay.
Just a pinch of salt?
To your liking and to your taste.
Okay.
So we're going in with our dry ingredients.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go in with all the herbs. Since you have everything already, maybe I should have checked to see that you have everything. Wow. So we're going with our garlic, habanero. I'm using habanero chocolate, it's the spiciest in Mexico. That one is.
What is this? Okay.
I put all of it in with seed and everything. I'm going in with the ginger, I'm going in with the thyme, and I'm going in with the scallion and onion.
I want the little ones, the green ones, the little ones. Should I put more?
Let me see what you have.
Oh, I already put it. This is the size. So maybe I'm seeing yours winner is way more than mine.
It's okay. Don't worry.
Do I have to put this extra or?
So on the recipe, it says, how many does it?
3. It says 3.
Yes, and it's because you're doing for a small batch, that's okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Tell me when you're ready. It's gonna be a bit noisy.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Fabulous. So I'm gonna show you what we have here, the consistency.
Okay.
Are you finished with yours?
Yes.
Fabulous. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we have here.
Yours is. Mine is like a.
Not bad. Very good.
Okay.
Now, so with what you have, you can use as much as you like, as little as you like, but you want to ensure that the chicken is coated after washing, cleaning, and ensure that the water is drained off. Then you're gonna add as much as you want.
Okay. So this same marinade, can I use it for any kind of meat?
Yeah, so you can use it lightly on your seafood, fish, fish and shrimp. And if you decide to use it for vegetable, you use it lightly.
Okay. Should I have to wait until the oil is hot?
Yes. We're gonna wait until the oil is to temperature. We're not gonna burn so you can decide how you want to continue forward. Thank you so much.
You have a wonderful day and wonderful rest of your week.
Same to you. Stay positive. Think on possibility. Have a fantastic rest of your week.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. I gave a class earlier and afterwards I took a quick nap, and now I'm taking my monstro for a walk, and also to just sit somewhere and relax a bit. So este es the aim. Just to find somewhere quiet to sit down and relax a bit. Quiet is relative, but a chill spot.